Good morning, students. Class 10 Geography. Chapter 7 Water Resources. In this chapter, you will learn about sources of water, importance of irrigation, methods of irrigation, need for conservation, rainwater harvesting, and importance of rainwater harvesting. Clear? First, water resources. Water is one of the most precious natural resources. About 71% of Earth's surface is covered water. Thus, our Earth is called water planet and blue planet. Clear? Out of the total water on the earth, only about 3% is fresh water. About 70% of the total fresh water on earth, as ice sheets, glacier in Antarctica, Greenland, and the mountainous regions of the world. India occupies only 2.45% of world's surface area and is the home of 16% of the world's population. India has only about 4% of world's total water resources. Clear? Sources of water. The main sources of water is surface water and groundwater. First, surface water. Rainwater is the main source of fresh water or surface water. Surface water is available on the surface of the earth in the form of rivers, lakes, ponds and canals. Of the total surface water resources, about 9% is used for domestic, 2% is used for industrial, and 89% is used for agriculture. Clear? Next, groundwater. The part of rainwater that seeps through the cracks and crevices into the ground. The groundwater potential in India is about 450 billion cubic meter. Of the total groundwater resources, about 3% is used for domestic, 5% is used for industry, and 92% is used for agriculture. So different purposes use of surface water and groundwater. Clear? Next, importance of irrigation. First of all, what do you mean by irrigation? The process of supplying water to crops by artificial means such as canals, wells, tube wells and tanks. Importance of irrigation. There are some importance of irrigation as are under first. India is an agricultural country. More than half of the total area comes under arable land. It means agricultural land. Second, water is the only means through which full potential of the agricultural sector can be realized. Third, efficient use of available water resources is the only key to successful agricultural development of India. Clear? Next, methods of irrigation. There are three methods of irrigation practiced in India. First, wells and tube wells irrigation. second tank irrigation, third canal irrigation. First, wells and tube wells irrigation. The suitable condition for wells and tube wells irrigation are: the water table should be high, needs soft alluvial soil. Wells and tube wells irrigation practiced in North India, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Haryana, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. Clear? Tank irrigation. The suitable condition for tank irrigation are: adequate rainfall, hard rocks which can prevent seepage. The tank irrigation practiced in Deccan Plateau, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and Odisha. Third, canal irrigation. The suitable condition for canal irrigation are: low relief, even surface and fertile soil. Canal irrigation. The suitable condition for canal irrigation are: low relief, even surface and alluvial soil. Canal irrigation practiced in Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. Clear? Next, need for conservation. There are some reason or factors responsible for need for conservation of water resources. First, India receives nearly 4% of global precipitation. Still, we suffer from water scarcity. Second, over-exploitation, excessive use and uneven distribution of water. Third, the large and growing population. Four, increasing industrialization and rapid urbanization. Clear? Next, conservation practices, especially rainwater harvesting. In conservation practices, rainwater harvesting. What do you understand by rainwater harvesting? Rainwater harvesting, the activity of collecting rainwater directly or recharging it into the ground to improve groundwater storage in the aquifer, is called rainwater harvesting. Mainly two ways of rainwater harvesting. First, surface runoff rainwater harvesting, and second, rooftop rainwater harvesting. Clear? Next, importance of rainwater harvesting. There are some importance of rainwater harvesting as are under: first, increasing the availability of water during the dry season. Second, it improves the quality of groundwater. Third, it reduces soil erosion. Fourth, it improves soil moisture. Clear? Thank you. Have a nice day.